Hi, people. I know it's been a long time since I made any video, and yeah, we are finally done with our JEE exam. My shift was 6th April, shift one, and like, yes, I took this break kind of thing. I was not uploading any video and stuff like that because you know how many things were going on. Yeah, and first of all, I'll talk about the paper. I'll start with the paper review. I'm sorry, I know it's too late for the review. But like you people might have already heard a lot about the shifts and all. But from my side, I'll still say it. Chemistry for me was like way too weird because I prepared really nicely for chemistry, but inorganic का weightage मुझे थोड़ा कम लगा and एक तो assertion reason में मेरे को थोड़ी दिक्कत आई and maths was like really lengthy even if I could do a few questions the process and the methods were like too lengthy और I don't know मेरे लिए ही था या क्या stuff था मुझे वो काफ़ी लेंदी लगी मैं उसमें कम ही अटेम्प्ट कर पाई फिजिक्स में आई डोंट वांट टू टॉक अबाउट इट या सो all in all everything I am actually feeling nice and like that I studied more than I thought I could after boards. After boards my expectations were very low. I'll be able to cope up or not after boards, if I'll be able to study or not, you know what I mean. um but I really handled everything. According to me in January I was below, लाइक मैं बता भी नहीं सकती मेरा कितना कम सा हुआ था और दिसंबर में मैंने चीज़ें छोड़ दी थी तो उसके बाद आई कवर्ड अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आफ्टर 12th ऑफ मार्च एंड या उसमें या आई स्टडीड अ लॉट अबाउट माई एक्सपेक्टेशंस मैंने ज़्यादा एक्सपेक्टेशंस वैसे रखी नहीं थी वो बात अलग है बट आई डेंट थिंक आई वुड बी दिस डिसिप्लिन्ड विद स्टफ आई I all in all liked it, and that is all what matters. And also, I don't know if anyone else feels this or not. After giving JE, it doesn't feel like everything is done और बस अब हो गया अब कुछ नहीं बचा kind of चीज़ें. Like it just feels okay. That was one single part, and let's get ready for the another one. There's a lot more to go, right? So yeah. I was just thinking this, like, we don't even get time to sit and process it properly, even after, like, because just after boards, we were into this, right? We were all into this, and I don't think any of us actually processed how boards went, and then J happened, and now other exams again. So, yeah, it's for few months, I think. It's just for few months. Everything just keeps on moving. It's nice, I think. Um, but yeah, one thing I've realized is I can actually push myself more than I thought I could. Whatever. Anyways, I don't want to talk about it. Now moving on. For like, I have my MSc paper. For anyone who doesn't know, it's a Maharashtra का paper. So that is on 18th morning. भाई पहले मेरी shift लगी थी 17th morning. And I was happy because I have to be back till 19th morning to my city for some really important things. So अब 18th को है. So now I am still figuring out how I'll manage that. Huh. And moreover, this month we have VIT Triple E also. So it's like so packed. And it's okay, no worries. Today and tomorrow is sort of a break thing. I'll start again after that. And with this, like, also, I want to talk about drop, if I'll be taking a drop for J or not. I think you people already know. What I feel is no matter if I clear J or not, I'm not taking a drop. I think most of you people पता ही होगा मेरी बातों से लग ही जाता होगा. That's what I feel right now that I'm not taking drop. Simple, right? Anyone who's feeling demotivated because of all of this, like पेपर जेई का कैसा आया कैसी शिफ्ट गई या जो भी चीज़ें हैं या हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा क्लियर I'll just keep it very simple. It was just one single phase. ठीक है? You gave your time to it, your energy to it, and it's fine. However the results turn out to be. uh, if it's like really bad and you feel like you're not getting anything to proceed, like कोई college नहीं मिल रहा है अच्छा या जो भी है, then yeah think about drop or something. उसके बाद मतलब ठीक है, तुम्हें पता चली गया कि बहुत ही खराब हुई हैं चीज़ें और जो दूसरे एग्जाम जो तुम साइड बाय साइड पढ़ते हो वो भी बहुत खराब हुए हैं या फिर खराब होने वाले हैं, सबको पता होता है आई थिंक. सो देन थिंक अबाउट ड्रॉप, नॉट जस्ट जेई को अपने दिमाग में रख के ड्रॉप का सोचो. ये मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है बिकॉज या if you just feel like you couldn't give your 100%, I mean bro, it's okay. Do you really think it defines everything? मतलब okay, suppose you took a drop, ठीक है, you have a whole year ahead. There are two possibilities. Either you'll do great, like जिसकी 70% आई अभी आई है जनवरी में उसकी 99 आ जाए, ठीक है सिनेरियो, ठीक है. And second possibility कि you get into a college, अच्छा कॉलेज मिल गया है ठीक ठाक, नॉट ठीक ठाक, हाँ मिल गया है अच्छा, तो you will do something better there. In just 1 year, you can develop so many skills or things like that. I mean, yeah, that is what I personally feel right now. I'll update as my thoughts change, obviously. Yeah, right now, I don't have everything figured out, honestly. I don't, right? But I know I'll keep doing something. I'm not stopping. Like, I'll figure out things out on the way. Um, because that's how it's supposed to be, I guess. So I'll just keep going for now. Let's see where it goes. Anyway, that's all. I don't want to make it more heavy for today. And for the people who still have their exams on 8th, all the best. Best of luck. And anyone who's feeling demotivated, people, don't be. Don't feel demotivated. That's all. Watch my videos and stay happy. That's it for today. And yeah, I'll end it here.